Sitra, Roshni.
Cats come Colorado.
Srikrut, good morning Srikrut.
Good morning.
Are you writing your SCA1 English exam? Okay, proceed. Tick only fruits. Your exam starts now. Tick.
Tick the fruits. Okay, take it. Tick the fruits.
If he keeps dot also no problem, da. Let him keep dot.
Okay.
Next.
Next. Tick the fruits, okay?
Move your chair a bit front. Get up. Get up still. Still.
Fruits.
Next
Tick the
fruit.
fruits.
Identify next fruit.
Fruit.
Yes, next.
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 What
Is that a fruit?
What is this?
Is that a fruit?
Vegetable.
Next.
What is this? Okay, tick that. Banana is a fruit? Okay. Tick it.
Go to next one.
Next. What is this? Okay, tick it.
Is it a fruit? Yes, tick it.
Tick it. Next. What is this, Riku? Very good. Tick it. Keep on. Tick it.
Okay. Go to next one.
What is this?
Capsicum. Is capsicum a fruit?
Capsicum. It is
Capsicum
vegetable.
fruit or vegetable, Srikrut? Ma'am will give. Is capsicum a fruit or vegetable, Srikrut?
Vegetable.
Then no need of ticking. Go to next one.
What is this?
Okay. Is it a fruit? Yes, tick it.
Tick it.
Next.
What is this?
Onion. Onion, is it a fruit? Okay. Onion fruit, is it a fruit? No. Then go to next one.
What is this?
Is it a fruit?
Grapes.
Grapes, is grape a fruit? Then tick it. Fruit.
Tick it.
You eat grapes, no, tick it.
Tick the grapes.
Next. Is tomato a fruit?
Tomato is a fruit or vegetable?
Then no need of ticking. Good job. Go to next page. Next,
Circle the vegetables.
circle the vegetables. Only vegetables you circle.
What is this?
Circle.
Circle.
Good job.
Okay. What
Next.
is this? Very
Is cucumber fruit or vegetable? Vegetable. So you need to round it. Okay, good job. Next.
What is this? It is a fruit or vegetable?
Then no need of circling.
What is this? What is this? Tomato is a fruit or vegetable? Circle it. Circle it. No,
Circle
don't
it.
do. Don't do. Circle it.
Circle
No,
it.
no,
We
no.
need to go for assembly. Circle it.
Circle it. Circle.
Circle it. Assembly is started.
Circle.
Circle. Circle tomato. Good job. Next.
What is this? What is this? Very good. It's fruit or vegetable?
Strawberry fruit or
Strawberry.
vegetable. Don't rest on hand. Don't be lazy. Make it fast.
What is this?
Potato fruit or vegetable.
Vegetable.
Potato fruit. Will you eat potato like that without cooking?
Vegetable.
Don't rest on hand.
Circle it.
Very good. Bottle got also.
Bottle got.
Then potato.
Potato also. Circle the potato. Circle the potato.
Good job. Next.
What is this? Radish.
Carrot.
Carrot. Circle it. Carrot.
You know what is that you say me? Very good. Next, guava. Is it a fruit or vegetable, guava?
Guava is a fruit or vegetable?
Is it?
Vegetable.
Vegetable, guava. Will you cook guava?